Chapter 17. Direct and Indirect Speech. We often have to give information about what people say or think. In order to do this, we use direct or quoted speech or indirect or reported speech. Direct speech or quoted speech. Saying exactly what someone has said is called direct speech, sometimes called quoted speech. Here, what a person says appears within quotation marks and should be word for word. Example, she said, "Today's lesson is on presentations," or "Today's lesson is on presentation," said she. Indirect speech or reported speech. Indirect speech, sometimes called reported speech, does not use quotation marks to enclose what the person said and it is not word for word. When we report speech, the tense usually changes. This is because when we use reported speech, we are usually talking about a time in the past. Because obviously the person who spoke originally spoke in the past. The verbs therefore usually have to be in the past too. Example, direct speech, indirect speech. "I am going to the cinema," said he. He said that he will going to the cinema. Tense change. As a rule, when you report something someone has said, you go back a tense. The tense on the left changes to the tense on the right. Direct speech, indirect speech. Simple present. She said, "It's cold." Simple past. She said that it was cold. Present continuous. She said, "I am teaching Bengali online." Past continuous. She said that she was teaching Bengali online. Present perfect. She said, "I have been on the web since 2006. Past perfect. She said that she had been on the web since 2006. Present perfect continuous. She said, "I have been teaching mathematics for 9 years. Past perfect continuous. She said that she had been teaching mathematics for 9 years. Simple past. She said, "I taught online yesterday." Past perfect. She said that she had taught online the day before. Past continuous. She said, "I was teaching earlier." Past perfect continuous. She said that she had been teaching earlier. Past perfect. She said the lesson had already started when he arrived. Past perfect. No change. Past perfect continuous. She said, "I had already been teaching for 5 minutes. Past perfect continuous. No change. Modal verb forms also change sometimes. Direct speech, indirect speech. Will. She said, "I will teach English online tomorrow." Would. She said she would teach English online the next day. Can. She said, "I can teach English online." Could. She said she could teach English online. Must. She said, "I must have a computer to teach English online." Had to. She said she had to have a computer to teach English online. Shall. She said, "What shall we learn today?" Should. She asked what they should learn that day. May. She said, "May I open a new browser?" Might. She asked if she might open a new browser. These modals remain unchanged. Might, should, could. "I might go to the cinema," said he. He said that he might go to the cinema. You can use the present tense in reported speech if you want to say that something is still true and will always. My name is Lopa, said she. She said that her name was Lopa. Or she said that her name is Lopa. You can also use the present tense if you are talking about a future event. Next week's tutorial is on reported speech, said she. She said that next week's tutorial will be on reported speech. Time change. If the reported sentence contains an expression of time, you must change it to fit in with the time of reporting. For example, we need to change words like here and yesterday if they have different meanings at the time and place of reporting. Direct speech, indirect speech. Today's menu is roasted paneer, said she. She said that yesterday's menu was roasted paneer. Or she said that day's menu was roasted paneer. Expressions of time if reported on a different day. This evening, that evening. These, those. Today, yesterday. Now, then. Ago, before. Last weekend, the weekend before, or the previous weekend. Here, there. Next week, the following week. Tomorrow, the next or following day. In addition, if you report something that someone said in a different place to where you heard it, you must change the place here to the place there. Example, how long have you worked here? Said she. She asked me how long I had worked there. Pronoun change. In reported speech, the pronoun often changes. Example, direct speech, reported speech. She said, I teach English online. I teach English online, said she. She said that she teaches English online. Or she said that she taught English online. Reporting verbs. Said, told, and asked are the most common reporting verbs. We use asked to report questions. Example, I asked Shakira what time the lesson started. We use told with an object. Example, Yasmin told me that she felt tired. Note, here me is the object. We usually use said without an object. Example, Barbara said that she was going to teach online. If said is used with an object, we must include to. Example, Aarti said to me that she had never been to China. Note, we usually use told. Example, Aarti told me that she had never been to China. There are many other verbs we can use apart from said, told, and asked. These include accused, admitted, advised, alleged, agreed, apologized, begged, ghosted, complained, denied, explained, implied, invited, offered, ordered, promised, replied, suggested, thought, etc. Using them properly can make what you say much more interesting and informative. Examples, he asked me to come to the party. He invited me to the party. He begged me to come to the party. He ordered me to come to the party. He advised me to come to the party. He suggested I should come to the party.